Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, and you're trying to see where your serpentine belt is located, where the serpentine belt tensioner is located and how to get to it, stay with us and we'll explain that today, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, guys, we make more than 200 videos, and specifically on Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, we will have more than 300 to 400 repair videos, free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Why we do all that, guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free information. If you need to buy, guys, new belt, new tensioner, we'll have the links in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase those from. Let me open the hood, guys, and I will show you where it's located and how to get to it now. So this is the 2.0 gasoline engine, guys, and it should work on years 2007 to year 2017, guys. Okay, this is the 2.0 TSI engine. You can see what it looks like. Now, before we continue, guys, if you want to see the replacement video of the serpentine belt and the serpentine belt tensioner, we will have it on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. This is our main channel for mechanical videos, World Mechanics, that you're watching now. It's more of an informational channel, and we, guys, have a new channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live that people love. We get great comments that we saved people hundreds of dollars for pretty much every repair, guys. What do we do there? We do car diagnostics, we explain how your car works, where the electrical components are, how to test each of the components, and how to diagnose engine light, airbag light, things like that. So please, guys, subscribe to that channel, and if you want to see the mechanical video and how to actually replace the belt and the tensioner, it will be on Auto Repair, guys. So now, guys, looking at it, it's very simple design. Okay, very simple design. This is your serpentine belt right here on the left side of the engine, guys. This right here, it's called your alternator. So the belt, guys, okay, it goes down there, all the way down there. This is your crankshaft pulley. When the engine turns, that crankshaft pulley turns and it's going to turn your belt, and the belt will run the alternator that will charge your battery, and down there it's your AC compressor, and it will actually run your AC compressor if you need cold air, guys. Now that pulley right there in the middle between the crankshaft pulley and the alternator, that pulley there, guys, this is your tensioner pulley. Okay, this is where you, guys, remove the belt. You're going to put a socket, I think it's a 16 millimeter on that bolt, okay, and you just remove the belt, guys. We have the video on the channel how to do that, but if you start the engine for some reason, that thing will be spinning here, and if you stick your fingers, it will take your fingers off, guys. So you always make sure that nobody starts the engine while you're working on it. I will even recommend to disconnect the car battery when you do that to make sure that you're safe, guys. So not very complicated, guys, but even if you hear some strange noises from the pulley, the tensioner pulley, you will need to replace it. Those usually go out sometimes. So video will be on Auto Repair, guys, how to do that. Please check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that component. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.